guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a look based off of the Ulta Beauty Desert Skies palette. This palette was pretty fun to play with. It was kind of fun to kind of test yourself to get away from the neutral shades in here because they do have a few, but it definitely put your mind to the test, well, put my mind to the test to really try not to use the shades that I would really normally gravitate to. So yeah, I would have to say though, I really do like the look that I came up with, so I hope you guys do too. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just please keep on watching. Okay, so for starters, I'm gonna go over what I've already done. I've already set my eye, well, I've already primed my eye and set it. I used the MAC Soft Ochre paint pot, and then I just set it with the regular setting powder. So we're going to dive in now to the Ulta Beauty Desert Skies palette, and I've been holding off a look on this because I didn't want to do something that I normally would gravitate towards, which would be like the browns and like using like almost like a neutral color because it's so easy to do in here. So yeah, so I just try to do something a little different. So enough talking, I'm gonna jump right in. So what I ended up doing was I went into Tuscan, which is that shade right there, and I just got a little bit and mainly focused it on the top part of the eye of the crease. I didn't necessarily bring this into the crease. So I just did a little, just to have obviously a transition shade. So I just did a very minimal amount. And now I went in with my Sigma Diffused Crease E38 brush, and it's a very smaller tapered brush, and I went into Sierra and I picked up a good amount. I just swirled it in there, tapped a little bit of off, and then right here is where I started, and I'm doing this very softly because I'm trying to shape out exactly where I want it right under that Tuscan shade we did. And you just really want to blend it and build it up gradually. So take your time with it a little and really just get it to the liking you prefer. But I'm just going to go a little bit heavier. Okay, so this is where I really wanted the shade to be of the darkness of it, because I did not really want to lose this shade. Even, I mean, yeah, I could have gone back over to, you know, blend it back in, but I really didn't want to lose the second shade we're doing now. So I really packed it on there a bit, so you can see it's still there from the other shades blending out all over it. So that's what I ended up doing there. And then I ended up getting a Luxie 249 brush. It's the dual brush, and I just got the fluffier blending brush side, and I went into Pueblo right there, and again I just swirled it in there, and I'm going right underneath it and just blending this out. And it's okay if you get it on the lid because we are going to go in with a deeper shade. And I am blending it again a little above the crease into the second shade that we did, just to obviously blend them together, but I'm not going higher than that, so we can still have it transitioning to each other. And I am also flaring it out at the ends. Okay, with that done, I'm going into the Sigma Blending E25 brush, and it's just a flat shading blending brush. So then now I'm going into Boulder, and it's like a dark purpley brown. It's really pretty. So we're going into that, and again going right underneath that shade and blending up into it just a little bit, but I'm really focusing this more towards the lid. And I'm blending it down onto the lid, so when we do like the halo kind of cut, when I pack that, it's gonna blend in already majority of the time with the shade Bolder, and we don't have to go over it as much. So there we go. And if you guys choose to, you can stop here, throw on some liner or whatever you want to do, and this could be a look as well. So with that done, I'm going to get my small Morphe M421 brush, and I'm going to get my concealer, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the center. And then I'm going on the Luxie brush on the other side, and I'm going into Sedona, and it's that shade right there, and I'm just going to put this all over the concealer. See what I mean? How it kind of already blended, and it's kind of, it just blends it in nicely with these two shades. So right now I'm going to get my flat brush. Okay, and now I'm going to be going into Santa Fe, and when I pick that up, I'm going to get some Fix Plus and set that, and I'm just going to put this in the center of that center shade and pick up more without spraying. Okay, and let me get a brush, and I'm gonna wipe away all that. Right now I'm going to be getting a flat shader brush, and then I'm going to be going into Bolder, and I'm going to press that right against the lower lash line. And then now mixing Pueblo and Sierra together, which is that shade and that shade. I'm just going to get that and just blow this out. Okay, so with that being done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my wing liner and do my mascara, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back now, and I'm going to go into Zion, which is a really pretty gold shade, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner. And then for the brow bone, I'm going into Tempe, right there. I think that's how you say it. Anyways, and I'm going to just put this on the brow bone. And I'm going to go back into that Sigma E38 brush, and I'm going to just blend this up into the brow bone highlights, like so. And now I'm going to go ahead and set my face using the Ulta Beauty's matte makeup setting spray. This is just a sample size I got. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I would say if you guys just want a very simple palette that has, you know, a lot of the neutral shades and some burgundy, kind of purpley shades as well, and a pop of green or whatever, just kind of things like that, I would definitely get this, but you don't need it, but it is an affordable palette to just go ahead and grab if you choose to. So yeah, but overall I do like the palette. It is a really good palette. So yeah, I would definitely say if you guys want to, go ahead and give it a shot, and you know, let me know what you guys think. I really hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and please do not forget to hit that subscribe button because that would mean a lot to me. And yeah, if there's any comments or looks you guys want to see, or products you want me to try, anything like that, or just a simple hello, go ahead and put those down in the comments below, and I will be glad to read them and reply back to you guys. So with all of that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.